I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I have brought a new chapter's explanation from class 8 Karnataka. Name of the chapter is Samachar Patra ki Atmakatha. Samachar Patra means newspaper and Atmakatha means autobiography. So this is an autobiography of newspaper. In this chapter, you will come to know what is newspaper and how it is important in our day-to-day life, how people are dependent on it. Everything we will see in this chapter. So watch the video till end. Let us start. इस पाठ के द्वारा बच्चे समाचार पत्र के महत्व और लाभ को समझ सकते हैं. So through this autobiography of newspaper, children can understand the importance and benefits of newspaper. रोज सवेरे घर में आऊं, देश विदेश की खबर सुनाऊं, जमीन आसमान की बातें बताऊं, जानते हो मैं कौन हूं? This is a puzzle and answer is newspaper. Okay? याद आया आपको? मैं ही समाचार पत्र हूँ. सुबह होते ही मैं हर घर में दिखाई देता हूँ. कई लोगों की मुझे पढ़े बिना सुबह ही नहीं होती. कई मुझे पढ़ते पढ़ते ही चाय या कॉफ़ी पीते हैं. मैं व्यक्ति के जीवन का एक महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा बन गया हूँ. मैं मनुष्य को उनके अपने घर बैठे बैठे सारे विश्व की जानकारी देता हूँ. मैं अमीर गरीब सबके ज्ञान का सस्ता और सुलभ साधन हूँ. So here first we will see the hard words. महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा means important part. विश्व means world. सस्ता means cheap. सुलभ means easy. So here newspaper is talking that it is talking about itself. It is saying every morning I appear in every house. Many people have the habit of reading me every morning. And their first work is to read me. Along with reading me, they take bed tea, means morning tea. I have become an important part of people's life. I give information about the whole world to the people in their homes. They don't have to go anywhere. Okay? By reading me, they come to know everything what is happening in the world. I am cheap and easy way to give knowledge to all people, irrespective of rich and poor. Whether they are rich or poor, that doesn't matter. I provide information to everyone. Okay, who is saying? Newspaper is saying. Now let us see next paragraph. प्राचीन काल में राजा महाराजा कबूतरों के द्वारा संदेश भेजा करते थे. संदेश वाहक भी संदेश लेकर जाते थे. आज समाचार पहुंचाने के कई साधन बने हैं, जिनमें रेडियो, टेलीफोन, दूरदर्शन, कंप्यूटर आदि मेरे साथी है. Here hard words. प्राचीन काल means ancient time, olden days. कबूतरों means pigeons. संदेश message. संदेश वाहक means postman, the one who carries the message from one place to another. संदेश वाहक. दूरदर्शन means television. So here newspaper is saying that in olden days, in earlier days, in ancient time, Raja Maharaja used to send messages through pigeons. You can see in the picture. Raja Maharaja used to send messages through pigeons. Even postmen used to carry message from one place to another, because in those days technology was not there. But now we can see we have so many means of communication and information. Today life has become so easy. If we wish to see our loved ones who stay far from us, it is quite easy to communicate with them. We have telephones, computer, internet. So these have made our life beautiful and easy. Yes? Now let's move on to the next paragraph. रेडियो जैसे साधनों से समाचार केवल सुना जा सकता है और दूरदर्शन जैसे साधनों के द्वारा सुनने के साथ साथ घटनाओं को देखा जा सकता है. लेकिन इन सभी में से मैं सरल और मितव्ययी साधन हूँ और लोगों तक तरह तरह के समाचार पहुँचाता हूँ. Here hard words. घटनाओं means incidents. Okay, घटनाओं means incidents. सरल easy. मितव्ययी means less expensive, कम खर्चे वाला, less expensive. समाचार news. Okay, So here, see, from radio news can only be heard, you cannot see, only you can hear from radio. But by television we can not only hear the news but also see the things happening from our eyes. Now here newspaper is saying that among all these I am very cheap and easy to give message to everyone. Okay. देन नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ, भारतवर्ष में पहले मैं अंग्रेजी में बंगाल गजट नाम से सन 1780 में प्रकाशित हुआ, हिंदी में उदंत मार्तंड नाम से और कन्नड़ में मंगलुरु समाचार के रूप में सन 1843 में पहले प्रकट हुआ। वर्तमान समय में विभिन्न भाषाओं में हजारों की संख्या में मैं प्रकाशित होता रहता हूँ। नवभारत टाइम्स, हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स, टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, डेक्कन हेराल्ड, इंडियन एक्सप्रेस, संयुक्त कर्नाटका, विजय कर्नाटका, प्रजावाणी, उदयवाणी, अमर उजाला, दैनिक जागरण, राजस्थान पत्रिका, जनसत्ता आदि अनेक नामों से मैं आपको मिल सकता हूँ। मैं दैनिक, साप्ताहिक, पाक्षिक आदि के रूप में आपके हाथ में रहता हूँ। विषय की दृष्टि से मुझे सामाजिक, धार्मिक, साहित्यिक, आर्थिक, सांस्कृतिक, मनोरंजक आदि वर्गों में विभाजित किया जाता है। सो हियर एडवर्ड्स, प्रकाशित मीन्स पब्लिश्ड, प्रकाशित मीन्स पब्लिश्ड। वर्तमान समय, प्रेजेंट टाइम। विभिन्न भाषाओं, डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस। दैनिक, डेली। साप्ताहिक, वीकली। पाक्षिक, फोर्टनाइट मीन्स 15 days। दृष्टि, विजन। सामाजिक, सोशल। धार्मिक, रिलीजियस। साहित्यिक, लिटरेरी। आर्थिक, फाइनेंशियल। सांस्कृतिक, कल्चरल। मनोरंजक, एंटरटेनमेंट। विभाजित मीन्स डिवाइडेड। ओके, see again it is saying that I was published in English in the year 1780. Here newspaper is saying that I was first published in English language in the year 1780 under the name Bengal Gazette. It first appeared in Hindi as Udant Marthad and in Kannada as Mangaluru Samachar in the year 1843. At present, in thousands, I keep publishing in different languages. Now you can see you get newspaper in many languages. Yes, not only in English, Kannada and Hindi, but in many languages you can see newspaper is published. So that only it is saying that at present in thousands I keep publishing in different languages. Any language you want, I will get. Okay. Some of my names are Indian Express, Sanyukt Karnataka, Vijay Karnataka. All these are the names of newspaper. Okay, in different languages, these newspaper are published. मैं दैनिक, साप्ताहिक, पाक्षिक आदि के रूप में आपके हाथ में रहता हूँ। Now here it is saying that I come in daily basis, weekly basis, fortnightly basis means daily also I get, weekly also I am published, and once in 15 days also I am published. To make the readers easy, I am divided into many parts. Now newspaper is saying that to make the people easy, to make the readers easy, I am divided into segments. I am divided into many small parts like social, religious, literature, economic, cultural, entertainment, etc. We see divisions in newspaper, yes or no? In one page we have headlines, then in other page we get political news, then in other page we have family matters, then we have advertisement, then we have matrimonial sites. So everything is divided so that what news you want, you can easily search that page and get the news. Yes. विभाजित means to divide. Okay, then next paragraph. मुझ में देश विदेशों में घटने वाली घटनाओं का विवरण रहता है। मुझसे खेल कूद, सिनेमा, मौसम, नौकरी संबंधी विज्ञापन, बाजार भाव, कृषि व्यापार संबंधी सूचनाएं मिलती है। कार्टून, पदबंध, विवाह संबंधी विज्ञापन, परीक्षोपयोगी सामग्री, परीक्षा फल आदि भी मुझसे जान सकते हैं। आजकल मेरे अंदर समय समय पर बड़े बड़े लेखकों की रचनाएं भी प्रकाशित होने लगी है। विशेषांकों में जीवनी, कविता, एकांकी, नाटक, कहानी, आलोचना, स्वास्थ्य, फिल्म संबंधी सूचनाएं भी प्रकट होती रहती है। किसानों के लिए कृषि संबंधी विशेष जानकारी भी मैं देता हूँ। So here first we will see the hard words. देश विदेशों means foreign countries. विवरण means description. विवरण means description. खेलकूद sports. मौसम weather. Climate. Okay. नौकरी संबंधी विज्ञापन means job related ads. बाजार भाव means market price. कृषि व्यापार means agricultural business. विवाह संबंधी विज्ञापन मैरिज एडवर्टाइजमेंट। परीक्षापयोगी सामग्री मीन्स एग्जाम रिलेटेड न्यूज। परीक्षा फल मीन्स एग्जाम रिजल्ट। ओके, so newspaper is saying that I keep details of everything happening in the world. I give information about sports, movies, weather report, job advertisement, market price, agricultural business, information, then cartoons, marriage advertisement, exam timetable, and also results of exam, etc. So nowadays works of writers have also started getting published in me. Nowadays works of writers, whatever the writers write, that also have started getting published in me. Biography, poetry, story, drama, criticism, health, and film information, everything are also seen in me. I also give important agricultural information for farmers. Okay, see, so useful newspaper is, every information you get from it. Yes or no? Then next paragraph. इन सब के अलावा लोग मेरे कारण वैज्ञानिक आविष्कारों से भी परिचित होते हैं। यदि संग्रह की ओर ध्यान दे तो आवश्यक विषयों की कतरनें भी अपने पास रख सकते हैं। आज मैं व्यक्ति के जीवन का एक अभिन्न अंग बन गया हूँ। अभी से आप मुझे पढ़ने लगेंगे तो आगे चलकर जीवन में मैं आपकी बहुत सहायता करूँगा। एक बार आपका और मेरा रिश्ता बन जाए तो वह जिंदगी भर टूटेगा नहीं। चलिए आज से ही यह आदत डाल लीजिए। ओके, सो नाउ हियर वैज्ञानिक आविष्कारों मीन्स साइंटिफिक इन्वेंशंस, द न्यू इन्वेंशंस that happens, okay, whenever any new thing is launched, that means scientific invention. Then परिचित means familiar, संग्रह means collection, कतरन means clipping, cuttings, small cuttings, that is known as katran. Okay, so apart from all this, what newspaper is saying, apart from all this, I provide knowledge about scientific invention to the people. Apart from all this means whatever news it gives in the newspaper, like marriage advertisement, sports, and about weather, everything. Apart from all this, I provide knowledge about scientific inventions, what new things are inventing in the market, in the world, that also I provide in me. If you are attentive in reading me, you can take clippings of important information related to your subject. See, we have many articles in newspaper, and some articles are so beautiful and informative that we wish to see and read that again and again. So what you can do, you can cut those articles, you can cut and keep it with yourself, that piece of newspaper, so that in future whenever you need that information, you can easily get it. So that is known as katran, the katran of newspaper, clippings of important information that you find in newspaper, that you can keep it with yourself. Okay, then You can keep the cuttings of articles with you. I have become an important part of everyone's life. What newspaper is saying? I have become an important part of everyone's life. And if you start reading me from now, newspaper is giving you advice that if you start reading me from now, I will give you full support, I will give you full help. Once if you make relationship with me, I guarantee you it will not break in your entire life. So start reading from today itself. Now here newspaper is inviting you to read it and make a habit of reading every day, because it provides a lot of information which will be useful for us, and and also in future it will help us in improving our knowledge. So what newspaper is saying that if you don't have the habit of reading, start it from today itself, because I provide lot of information which will be helpful in you in your future. And once if you make habit of reading me, I guarantee you that our relationship will never break in future. Yes. So what we have to do? We have to start reading newspaper from today itself if we don't have the habit. Okay, it's never too late. So start reading newspaper and acquire more and more information and knowledge. Okay, so this was short and beautiful information about newspaper. I hope you liked it, you enjoyed it, and it was informative one. If you like this video and if you want more such video, then hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Till then, take care.